abilities. Bees, nature's fan ability, and light pollination. It was responsible for one-third of the world's food supply. They can also detect landmines and chemical spills by scent. Rats, the lifesavers. Hero rats are trained to sniff out landmines and even detect diseases like tuberculosis much faster than technology. Vultures, the disease preventers. Sea otters, the kelp guardians. They eat sea urchins. Without otters, urchins will devour kelp forests, which are vital for absorbing ocean ecosystem. Bats, the pest controller. A single bat can eat thousands of insects in one night, reducing the need for chemical pesticides on farms. Elephants, forest gardeners. They dig for water in dry riverbeds, helping other animals swim and whisper seeds that grow in the hard carbon-storing trees. Llama, invasive weed control. They have a low environmental footprint and are used to graze on invasive plant species without damaging the soil. Earthworms, soil architects, the art of the soil and wet cycle. Nutrients, making the ground fertile for plants to grow. YOC Unicorn, the climate scientist. Scientists feed them with sensors to measure ocean temperatures in deep ice-covered Arctic areas humans can't reach. Dung beetles, waste recyclers. They process animal waste, returning nutrients to the soil and reducing greenhouse gas emission from man-made. Wood frogs, bioindicators. They can freeze solid in winter and come back alive. Because they breathe through their skins, they alert us to water pollution early. Sharks, ecosystem balancers. As apex predators, they keep feed level and protect population in check, ensuring a healthy diversity of marine life. Waves, carbon wrestling. Beavers, hydraulic engineering. Their grounds weight when plastic prevents flood, filter water, and provide homes for a thousand of other species. Clouds, vehicles. Starfish, the reef maintenance. They eat algae of coral reefs, preventing the coral from being smothered and poop out white sand that forms beetles. accidental forces. By bearing not and forgetting where they feed them, they plant millions of trees every year.